Hi viewers. In the previous class, we discussed regarding the importance of carbon and its important nature, that is catenation, and how it forms millions of compounds, and even we discussed regarding the functional groups. And today we are going to learn about the naming of organic compounds. How to name the given organic compound. Okay, Violet, welcome everybody. This is Santosh Kumar. Welcome to my channel Sims Academy. Okay, now first let us take a simple carbon chain. Always we have to remember one thing, that carbon valency is 4. It always forms 4 bonds. ఖచ్చితంగా 4 bonds ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. అది ఆ valency మనం ఎప్పుడైనా చూసుకోవాలి. And who is the very best friend of carbon? It is hydrogen. Hence these are all dealt under the separate branch of organic chemistry, which is called as hydrocarbon chemistry. Now here carbon is bonded to another carbon by means of a single bond. Then what about the remaining bonds? Hydrogens. 1 bond with carbon, other 3 with hydrogens. Coming to this carbon, 1 and 2. Remaining 2 hydrogens. 1 and 2. 2 hydrogens. 2 bonds. Remaining 2 hydrogens. 1 bond. Remaining 3 hydrogens. Now let us name this organic compound. Before naming the organic compound, we need to give the numbering. How to give numbering? Numbering, for giving the numbering, we need to check out for the longest chain of the organic compound. Here we have only one chain. We did not go for the longest chain over here. And how to give the numbering? Numbering can be given because we don't have any substituents over there. We can give numbering from that side, left to right, or from, this is right hand, right? Right to left. Anyone we can, either of the two we can give. Let us give like this: 3, 4, 5. And how to name an organic compound? Previously we discussed. First we get secondary prefix, next primary prefix, next we have word root, next primary suffix, and secondary suffix. Okay. Secondary prefix always discusses about the substituents. We discussed regarding the functional groups, right? What are the functional groups? Even I have given you the order of priority of the functional groups. First, we always get an acid, next ester, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine. Okay, let us write them in decreasing order. Next we have a double bond, triple bond, single bond, and last we have halogens. And last halogens also we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Priority must be given in the alphabetical order. Okay, and one more important thing we have to keep in our mind is that these halogens and alkyl groups. What are alkyl groups? Suppose alkane, if I remove one hydrogen atom from alkane, we get alkyl group. That means CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula of alkane. If I remove one hydrogen atom, I am left with CnH2n plus 1. Yes, that means suppose methane CH4, if I remove one hydrogen atom, I get CH3 methyl group. Similarly, ethane C2H6, if I remove one hydrogen, I get C2H5 ethyl group. We discussed regarding the word roots, right? Word roots in the sense depending upon the number of carbon atoms, we mention the word roots over here. That means if the carbon atom is 1, the word root is meth, 2, 8, 3, prop, 4, buta, 5, penta, 6, hexa, and so on like that. Word roots are given accordingly. Now coming to this particular organic compound, here we don't have any substituents. Substituents లేనప్పుడు there is no secondary prefix. Primary prefix must be given only for the cyclic compounds. If it is a cyclic compound, అంటే అంత closed structure గాని ఉంటే, then we consider it as a cyclic compound. Then only we get the primary prefix. Primary prefix ఏమని పెడతాం మనము? We keep it as cyclo. Now coming to word root. What is the word root? How many carbon atoms are present? 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms in the sense we get what is the word root? Penta. All are single bonds. If all are single bonds, they come under alkanes. If one double bond is present, that we mention it as alkene. If one triple bond is present, we mention it as alkyne. Double bond, alkene, ene. Triple bond, alkyne, ine, we mention. Okay? Here, it consists all of single bonds, hence it comes under pentane. Generally we say it as N-pentane. N-pentane is nothing but normal pentane. Next, let us move on to another one. Here I am keeping a substituent. Remaining only one bond, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds ఉన్నాయి చూసుకోండి. ఒకటే hydrogen. 2 bonds, 2 hydrogens, 2 bonds, remaining 2 hydrogens, only one bond ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 hydrogens. ఎందుకు 3 hydrogens? Carbon valence is 4. It forms always 4 bonds. Now coming to here, this particular compound, we have a substituent. Substituent ఉన్నప్పుడు మరి compound కి name ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి? We need to give priority to the substituent. While giving the number, here we should choose the parent chain, that is the longest chain. We have only one chain. Okay, that becomes our parent chain. After that, substituent chlorine is present. If we give the numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chlorine atom gets the 4th number. But if we give from this side to this side, left to right, chlorine gets the 2nd number. That means chlorine is given priority when we give numbering from left to right. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes 2 secondary prefix. In secondary prefix also we have number prefix and numerical prefix. Number prefix ante given substituent a carbon atom lo undi. Numerical prefix, suppose we have multiple substituents of the same element or the same group. Suppose chlorine 2nd position lo undi, 3rd position lo undi. Then we mention it as 2, 3. 2 places lo undi. Numerical prefix. So number prefix. What about numerical prefix? 2 are there, hence we mention it as di. 2, 3, dichloro. Okay, here we don't have any 2 or more, only 1. Hence in secondary prefix we mention 2-chloro. After that, primary prefix, take this primary prefix aside because it is not a cyclic compound. Hence 2-chloro. Next after this Primary prefix is not there. Coming to word root. Word root is 5 carbon atoms pent. All are single bonds pent in. Got it? Okay. Let us take another example here. More substituents we keep. That is C. For easy understanding, I am taking 5 carbon atoms. Here chlorine, here bromine. Only one bond, remaining 3 bonds will be filled with hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. Single bond, remaining 3 bonds, 3 hydrogens. Now for this, how to give the numbering? Okay, let us try to give. If we give the numbering from left to right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 4 we get chlorine atoms and 3 for bromine. If we give even from right to left also, we get the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 and 4 chlorine atoms, 3 bromine. No issues. Okay? అందుకని మనం ఏం చేయాలి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఎట్ నుంచి అయినా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. No issues here. Now we get secondary prefix. Do we have the substituents? Yes, we do have the substituents. What are those substituents? 2 chlorine atoms and 1 bromine. First let us write bromine, that is 3 bromo. Next we have 2, 4. How many are there? 2 chlorine atoms. Numerical prefix di, chloro. 5 carbon atoms, word root, pent, all are single bonds. In, alkane, pentane. Next, we shall move on to the next one. All as we discussed previously, when the halogens are given as substituents, we need to take them in the alphabetical order. But here, chlorine has got 2 number and bromine has got 3 number. But in some cases, while giving the numbering, we cannot start from the middle. We should start from the end. That's why bromine has got 3rd number. Okay, let us move on to the another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here H3. Let us take one substituent bromine, another substituent chlorine. 1, 2, 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3. 1 hydrogen, only 1. Remaining 4. Remaining 3 for 4 bonds. H3. That means here, if we observe, we have 2 substituents, 1 chlorine and 1 bromine. Chlorine and bromine. Which one should be given the priority? As we know, in the alphabetical order, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Alphabets అని ఎందుకంటారు అనేది కూడా పోయినసారి చెప్పాను మీకు. ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అంటే we have alpha, beta, gamma, delta, sigma, psi, pi. That this all Greek letters. Alpha betas are first, hence they might have said as alpha betas. మన వాళ్ళు తెచ్చి alphabets అంటారు. Please change it. If we get the chance, you should change. We should call them as heavies. Now, alphabetical order from left to right, we shall give the numbering 3, 4, 5. Now, do we have the substituents? Yes, hence secondary prefix is present. What is that? 2 bromo. Next, 4 chloro. After that, no primary prefix because it is not a cyclic compound. Hence, 2 bromo, 4 chloro. Coming to word root, it is bute. All are single bonds, butane. That means, ఇంత సింపుల్గా ఇచ్చాం చూడండి. 2 bromo, 4 chloro, butane. Let us move on to the next one. Fifth one. Carbon, 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 carbon. H3, bromine, H3, CH3, another CH3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds, only 2 bonds remaining are filled with hydrogens. Here, carbon valency is satisfied. 4 bonds are being formed. Here, 1, 2, 2 gabati, 2 hydrogens. 1, 2, 2 gabati, 2 hydrogens. Now, you check out with the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? అంటే the CH3 is also a substituent. Antena? No, it is wrong. Here, I can write that one as a simple let us this one for understanding. H3, CH3, this is bromine, H2, 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 and this one I am writing this side. I can write because it is at the end of the chain. Hence, we need not get confused. We can give numbering for this. This is not a substituent. This is methyl group CH3. This is not a substituent. It comes under the parent chain. Hence, we should give numbering now. Numbering should be given from left side or the right side. You see here, because we have substituents on the left side, we should give numbering from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means secondary prefix. Yeah, we do have the substituents. What are the substituents? At second place we have bromine, 2 bromo. At second place only we have methyl group, 2 methyl. How many carbon atoms? Primary prefix. It is meant only for cyclic compounds. It is not a cyclic compound, no cyclo. 2 methyl. Word root, it is 6 carbon atoms. Now here, hexane. Hexane. That means we have learned about naming the organic compound, how to give numbering for the organic compound, how to choose the longest chain when we have the substituents here. Secondary prefix always mention the substituents, and primary prefix it is for cyclic compounds. Word root, number of carbon compounds. Primary suffix, it is meant for the saturation. In all these examples we have taken only alkanes. And what about alkenes and alkynes? We are going to deal in the part 3 anyway. Next, primary suffix about the saturation or unsaturation. Secondary suffix we discussed regarding the functional group in the next part. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. This is Santosh Kumar. Please subscribe my channel for more updates and interesting videos. Thank you and signing off. Bye.